Hello and welcome to this video. In this lesson, we will learn how to navigate multi-page documents. That is how to work with documents with 2 or more pages. Let's create a new document. You can do that by simply clicking on this plus button, and then let's just say A, B, C. Okay, so we have everything here. So okay. Now you can see that I created this document with just a single page. There is nothing like page 1 or page 2. If you look at this document page navigator, you see only one page here. To add more pages now, we can go to our layer. You can see insert page, number of pages that you want to add. If you want to add like 4, 2 is making 5, and you select after that is you should add after this page 1. And we have a size that you want. So let's just say we want to maintain the same A4 size. Now let's say okay, you have your page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. I want to add more again and I don't want to go there. I can just simply click on this spot button, page 6, page 7, just look at it, and page 8. So now that is it for that. So there are other things that you can do to this page. Let's assume that you want to rename this page 1, you want to give it a name. You can simply right click on it and rename page to, let's say, okay. Now look at it here. So you can do that, and you can as well, let's say, let's not use this method. This is page 2, right? Let me just try to differentiate it. Okay, let's keep put the openings in here, and this is page 4. Let's just keep something here as well. Okay, we jump to page 7. Okay. Okay. So now we have our pages with content on some of the pages. So we can go to our view. Now we go to page sorter view. So we can see our pages like this. So we can decide to interchange this page like this one now. Okay. You can see I've moved this page. Let's say I want to move this to page 2. I can just bring it here. Let's assume I want to move page 4 to 3. Okay, and you have it here, and you can exchange it the way you like. So you can see, so you see the difference. When you come back, you see that the pages have been shuffled, so they are not like the way they were arranged before. And you can check this multi-page view for you to see the pages one after the other. Like this is page 1. You can see 4. This is page 4, 3, 2. So to move to any page here, you can just simply use it, right? So you can use this to move between pages. So you are at page 8 now. You can move back 7, 6, 4, and you can use this one to move to the last page, or this one to move to the first page, 1 of 8. Okay, so if you want to create a copy of this page, page 2 now. Okay. So this is the page 2 now. I want to create a copy of this. You can right click on this, and you create, you click on what? Duplicate page, and you click on copy layer and content. Okay, and you add it like this. Or if you don't want to do it from there, this is the page 2. You go to layout, you can delete the page, rename it, duplicate, insert page number and whatever. So let's just say create a duplicate of it, same thing, and you have it created. Okay, so this page is now, we have so many pages here and they are not numbered. So if you want to number these pages now, very simple. We just go to the same layout, then insert page number on all pages, and page number will be added. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any changes you make to this one will affect other pages. If I should drag this to this point like this, all others will move there, you can see. So I can even change the font. I can change this font to another font entirely, and it will affect it. I can change the color, and it will affect all other pages as well. It will affect all other pages. Just look at it. So the same thing, I can just leave it on black, okay? The same thing, so any font you apply will affect all the pages. So that is it on this. So I think there is something that I can still explain here. Let's assume that we have all these pages. Let me first of all, let me uncheck this. So let's assume that you have you are working on let's say PDF, for example, now ebook or something like that, and you want to maintain consistency. Okay, you want to add like a logo now that will appear on all the pages. So that is where we have what is called a master layer. Like a master layer will allow you to display an element on all the pages. So let's assume that you want to add something to this page now, that something that wants it to be displayed on all the pages. So I'll just come to this object now, settings, okay, layer. So we go to layer, new master layer, all pages. So I will then import whatever I want to import. Let's say this. So if I should click on this now and drag it here, so let me just bring this something somewhere around this place. Okay, so this is it on page 1. So if I should go to page 2 now, I will see the same thing. Page 3, so it means that it will appear on all the pages. So it will appear on all the pages. You can see all the pages now with the same thing. Okay, so look at all the pages now. You can see all of them have the same logo. So this is very important when you are working with ebooks like that. That is, you're working with a document with multiple pages. Okay, so let me go back to my view and I will check this multi-page view, and I will then bring this from 10% to height, for example, now, and I have it like this. So that is it on how to navigate multi-page documents. Thank you, and see you in our next one.